life is what it means to be conscious. And death means not being conscious. So once you say consciousness must be primary, and let's find out if it actually is, because if you do science, you cannot start by thinking that you know all the answers. But once you start by saying, hey, let's assume that consciousness is more fundamental than matter, then how is this reality constructed? And this is the question that I asked myself about 10 years ago, after spending 20 years of trying to experience and understand consciousness experientially. And through that work that I did for about 20 years, which is psychospiritual work mainly, I had many extraordinary experiences of consciousness that follow an original experience of consciousness in which I saw myself as the world observing itself with the point of view, however, that was my point of view. So all of a sudden, I'm the whole observing the whole, which is me. But knowing that I have a point of view, I can choose where to look. And that experience changed me from this way to that way, because all of a sudden, instead of being separate from the world, all of a sudden I experienced, not I thought that I am the world. No. I experienced to be the world. And that's the fundamental difference between conscious experience and reading a book. If you read a book, you have a thought, which is what is conveyed by the book. But that thought is not the experience that is described in the book. The description of an experience is not the experience. And consciousness is the only one that experiences. So that's what is primary. Consciousness is fundamental, more fundamental than matter, if you believe that the universe has a purpose, and the purpose of the universe then is to know itself. That's why it's conscious, because consciousness is what allows you to know yourself. And so consciousness cannot be explained in any simpler way than saying that consciousness is what allows you to know yourself, which is what the universe is about.